How are you? This is Chari. Welcome to my channel Grooming with Chari. Today my topic is career guidelines for aspiring software professionals. Guys, yes, software professional. How to become a software engineer or how to get a job in a software company. This is my topic of the today. So if you are pursuing engineering or if you are pursuing MBA, if you have done MBA, if you have done completed your engineering, you have not got your campus placement or anything, or if you have no money for engineering or MBA, you can have a normal educations. If you don't want to invest in engineering or MBA, you can have a normal education because company wants 16 years of education. Ladies and gentlemen, company wants 16 years of education. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Cherry. I'm having 16 years experience in IT professional, 16 years of experience in software engineering. I have worked in TCS, I have worked in Tech Mahindra, I have worked in HP. So presently I'm a director in a company. Company name I'm just hiding it for a company, and I have 16 years of experience. You can check my LinkedIn profile in the name of Cherry. You will get all the details. So I have an experience. I also do the interview for many professionals. So I do have experience, and I'll just share my experience to you. So ladies and gentlemen, guys, friends, let me tell you. If you don't have engineering, if you don't have MBA, don't have to get panic. You want to come to software professional, you want to become a software professional. So let me tell you, company wants, all MNC wants at least 16 years of education. Many company wants graduation also, and if you want to work in IBM, Microsoft, or this level of company, they want 16 years of education. 16 years of, you can have a plain graduation, you can have a education in BA, you can have a BSc, or you can have a BCom. Okay, after that, this 15 years, after that 1 year, or you can do some masters in computer science. If you're doing in BA, then you should have at least the specialization in English or and economics, those type of specialization you can have it, and commerce you can have it, and BSc or MSc also you can. MSc computer science will be very better. After that, or if you already completed MBA, or if you already completed engineering, no problem. If you don't have got campus, if you don't get any campus job, no problem. Just I'll tell you, do some courses, okay, skills, because every company, see, degree is apart. Degree on 16 years education is required. Apart from that, company, all MNC, they want skills. Okay, let me tell you, you should have minimum at least 50% mark in any of this stream, engineering, MBA, anywhere, or general education. You should have 50% marks at least. Okay, after that, let me tell you, do some courses. Okay, you can do any courses. I will tell you this top 4-5 courses which will be very good. If you do that courses, you will definitely get a 100% job in a good salary package. Or also you can go to US also. Company can send you to US, UK, anywhere, in all the large developed countries. So first course, friends, guys, first course now in 2020 in huge demand, that is data science. Guys, in data science you will be learning your maths and algorithms, you will be learning artificial intelligence, you will be learning the Python also, okay, and IoT also, and artificial intelligence. You will be learning all the things in one package, because every company they required, right, every company they require data scientist. And data scientist, data is a very huge demand, ladies and gentlemen, friends. Data is huge demand, huge. Okay, if you learn data, see, data scientist is a very expensive course. I mean, it will cost you around 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs, okay, for at least 6 to 1 year courses. This is, so you 6 months to 1 year courses. So if you do that courses and you will complete that courses, so see, you may get certification and that is blah blah blah, that is not a, but you should acquire the skills. Okay, if you do data scientist, 100% you will get job and get very high package. At least starting you will get more than in India, you will get more than 10-15 lakhs. It will continue, you know, it will go higher and higher, and company can send you to US also. Okay, so in data scientist, it's a very huge demand. And second one is, if you don't have so much of money, or if you don't want to invest initially in data scientist, guys, you do any courses in SAP. Okay, SAP they are having lot of courses module, so that all SAP courses you can complete in 1 month. And you may do certification, because certification cost a huge, and initially I don't think so you should invest in certification. You can do it in any institute, okay, in any institute where I have to do, I'll tell you later. So institute you can do SAP HANA S4 or ABAP with SAP HANA, okay. So this is very high demand, HANA in SAP. So you can do this SAP HANA, and in 1 month you can finish the course. And after that, after finishing any courses, guys, you, wherever you learn the courses, you tell him that give me some practical works, okay. You may get salary, you may not get salary, doesn't matter. For initial level, don't ask for any salary, or if they give it, then nothing. Just work in a small organization, okay, any small, just practice it for at least 1 year. You just have a hands-on knowledge. But after that, you can apply to any big company. And if you are getting in a big organization, or if you're getting in a small organization, always try to work in a small organization, because there you will learn. Initial period, at least for 3 years, you should always work in a small company, startup company, small company. You may get less salary, doesn't matter. You should have experience, you should get hands-on experience, then go to big company. Because big company you will not learn. Big company, it will work as a process. You will be working in a process, okay. So you have to work in small company and get into big company. It will be better. You know, once you learn the work, then the future is great. You can get a job anywhere, you can get high package, okay. Initially, if you are looking for a big organization, means if you can't work, then they'll throw it out. So always work in a small organization, learn it, have an hands-on experience, get an experience, then you can go to shift it to big organization. And third thing is your artificial intelligence. Huge demand, friends, huge demand. If you can do a course in artificial intelligence, that is machine learning, and DL, MLDL, these are all, you know, huge demand. In artificial intelligence, the software programming, you can learn Python. If you are very good in coding, okay, then go for Python. Or else, previously, if you have done Java, or if you know Java or Java Advanced, then you can go for Python, because Python is totally 100% coding. And if you are interested, if you know coding, if you are good in mathematics, then go for it, or else don't go. If you are a non-technical guy, if you are an MBA or non-technical guy, then always go for functional things, okay. So data science will be very good for functional as well as technicals, but in data science also technically required. So friends, this is artificial intelligence. Then you can go for Amazon AWS, okay. It's a cloud platform, and it's the #1 cloud platform in the world. So you can also grab the course for Amazon AWS. Java is always high demand, Java and advanced Java. Only thing, you should have a knowledge of coding, or if you have done coding, okay. If you can grab the coding, then only you go for Java. Otherwise, go for non-technical. And IoT, Internet of Things is a very, very high demand, guys. Every company, they require IoT, guys, okay. So it's a very, very high demand. Blockchain is not grown up, it's going to be grown up in banking sector. So guys, if you can do blockchain courses, because blockchain is also very high demand. And in blockchain, till now the guys are not available. Companies are not getting the proper resource, okay. Robotics, nowadays, as you know, friends, all the things, and in coming century also, all the things will be done in robotic. No manual work, all robots will be doing. So robotics is also a high demand, okay. And if you don't want to invest, see, these are the courses apart from data science, all you can get it in 10 to 30, 40,000. If you invest, you can get all the courses, you can do the courses. And in CRM tool, okay, customer relationship management, there is a tool Salesforce, okay. Salesforce is a high demand, because all the company, they require Salesforce. Without Salesforce, because other CRM tool like SAP is not in high demand, only Salesforce is very high demand. So if you can learn the functional and functional or techno-functional of Salesforce, you will definitely get a job, okay. And next is cloud. cloud computing is always, it's very very high demand because everything is coming on cloud. There is no manual setup, no server. Company doesn't want to invest all those things. So cloud computing, if you learn cloud computing, is very very high demand. And Amazon AWS, you can assure it, you will get 100% job on that. Big data, every company require big data. So if you can do a course in big data, it's always high demand. These are the few courses like SAP HANA S4 model, artificial intelligence, okay, data science is the ruling nowadays, is ruling, artificial intelligence is ruling, IoT, blockchain, then robotics. These courses if you do, friends, you will get 100. Apart, the company will not see which engineering college, which MBA college, if you are plain graduate, if you are done the MSc or MCom, anything, if you can do in computer science is good. Companies just want 16 years of education. Many companies also look after graduation also. So no problem, friends. If you don't want to invest in engineering, you can do, after getting a 16 years education, do some courses, okay, you will definitely get job. And also in programming, there is Java, as everywhere from is high demand now, Java advanced and all. R programming is very it's very high demand. Companies are not getting resource on that. Whatever the courses I told, in India and the world, companies are not getting resource. If you can do, see, always do the course which have which in a country or in pan world don't have so many resources. So you will be odd man out. So when you will be the special person, after giving couple of interviews, you will definitely get it. And another one, see, after MBA, suppose you want to come in software sales also. See, software sales is very difficult to get directly into software sales because it requires some experience. If you are in business analyst or somewhere you join some software company, at least get into the company, then you can jump on software sales. And once you get into software sales, and if you have a sales skill, then only you join. Because if you don't have a sales skill, it's very difficult because you will be having a huge target. But in software sales, your career will be very very high, and you will be getting a huge salary and huge package on that. And other courses, what I have told, you will definitely get a job, and you will be also going to US also. And guys, always try to, wherever you are, always try to practice for 1 year or 2 years. Do not look for salaries, do not look for any big organization. After you get an hands-on experience, then you will be getting a good job definitely. And always try to work on case studies. Wherever you do the courses, you try to work on, tell them that give me some case studies, I will be working in hand. So you work on case studies, have an experience, and jump into this big organization. And ladies and gentlemen, friends, see, I will tell you the institute you will be getting in Bangalore, BTM, Whitefield and Koramangala. There is a lot of institutes, okay, but it will be a bit expensive. In Delhi, South Extension is there, you will be getting a lot of institute there. And more popular is Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, Amirpet, okay, in Amirpet, Hyderabad, mind it, in Amirpet. If you are from Hyderabad, you may be knowing it. If you are from other cities, listen, go to Amirpet. Amirpet is the building, one area name, and in Hyderabad, where you get multiple courses in very cheaper rate. You are from any pan India, you go there, lot of, just have an inquiry online in Google, just Google it, find it a course, no required certification. You first learn the skills, give the interview. After giving 7-8 interviews, have an hands-on experience, 7-8 interviews, you will definitely get a job. And also you will go to US also if you do this course. So Hyderabad, Amirpet, Southex, Delhi, Bangalore, BTM, Koramangala. So Hyderabad is the best. You can cheap and best course, you will be getting it. Okay. So guys, if you have any queries, I am definitely there to help you. Please comment. Please write in comment section. I will definitely help you, and whatever the problem is, I will definitely try to solve you. Thanks. Bye bye.